The Health Ministry says by month end, it expects all outstanding sums to be paid to healthcare workers at vaccination sites across the island. At today's sitting of the PAAC, Permanent Secretary Dunstan Bryan revealed that some persons working at vaccine sites have not been paid since October.
Healthcare workers have played a crucial part in the country's vaccination program since it began last year. Still, compensation for their efforts is lagging. At Wednesday's sitting of the PAAC, member Jackson questioned the Permanent Secretary in the Health Ministry, Dunstan Bryan, about the issue.
Some instances, there have been issues with the payment, the receiving banks for payments. And so some persons have not been paid since the records that we have received indicate that in some cases, some persons have not been paid from as far back as October of this year for the vaccination program. But that number at this point in time is some 250 individuals across the island, across parishes and across regions.
The Nurses Association of Jamaica and the Jamaica Medical Doctors Association have been calling on both the Finance and Health Ministries to resolve the issue, but to date, nothing has changed. So, how much longer will workers have to wait before they're paid?
The commitment from the regional health authorities is for us to resolve those payments as by the end of January this year.
Of note, it's not the first time workers have been promised payment, raising concerns about whether the ministry is adequately funded.
The Ministry of Finance and the Public Service has ensured that everything that has been requested in terms of wages and salaries for the Ministry of Health and for all the other entities has in fact been provided. The warrants have been done, the funds have been released, the Accountant General has released everything that has been requested.
Anthony Log, TVJ News.